I just went to the CVS website. A lot of you guys are not sure how to find the coupons to print on their site, so I'm just going to show you guys. But you just go to CVS.com and you want to type in coupons, and then you just hit enter. And then it'll take you to coupons. Now what I just found, now not every single coupon is available, and this is connected to your coupons.com account, but they just added the CVS coupon. So here we have $1 off of any one gold emblem amount. So you guys can buy pretty much anything and get $1 off. Here they have snack items, so I love that coupon. Here they got $2 off nuts, nut blends, and stuff. So those are the 3 coupons I would definitely print off. Here is $2 off American Greetings, and then here is a $3 off coupon off any Futuro product. So those are Walgreens specific coupons. So you guys sometimes can combine those with manufacturer coupons. They also have the Diva Cup too. But definitely print off these coupons right here if you guys want to get some freebies at CVS. I just wanted to share with you guys, and I will see you guys all another time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.